Hello kids, so today we will learn about perimeter. So what is perimeter? A perimeter is a length that surrounds any shape. Okay, so if any shape is there, either it's a rectangle, a triangle, a square or any of your choice, either circle or anything. So what is a perimeter? Perimeter is a length that surrounds any shape. That means this total length, जो भी उसके side की total length है, इसे हम कहते हैं perimeter. Like length of this side plus this side plus this side and then plus this side. This will be the perimeter of that shape. Similarly, for triangle, what will be the perimeter? This side, then this side, and then add this side. Similarly, not only for the regular shape, for any irregular shape, for example, this is an irregular shape. Now, if we have to find out the perimeter of this shape, what we have to do? We have to find the length of this shape, the length that surrounds the shape. जो उसके जिसको सराउंड करती है, जो उसके पूरे शेप के आसपास होती है, उस लेंथ को हम कहते हैं perimeter. Now let's see perimeter of some basic shapes. Perimeter of rectangle. So this is a rectangle. In rectangle, we know that one side is known as the length and the other side is known as the breadth. Also, rectangle has two opposite sides equal. This side and this side will be the length side, and this side will be the breadth side. So, how can we find the perimeter of a rectangle? By adding up all the sides, as I told you earlier only. Okay. So, for example, these are the sides. So, we will add up all these sides. Okay. Let's see how. Let's name it first. A, B, C, D. Now, what will be the sides? Perimeter will be side AB plus side BC plus side CD plus side DA. Now, these are the sum of all the four sides. Now, if we represent breadth as B and length as L, we can change AB with B. As you can see, this is AB and this is the B only. So, what we can write AB as? We can write AB as B. Similarly, for BC, we can write it as L. As you can see here, this is BC and this is also the length side, so we can write it as L. And similarly, for CD also, we can write it as B, and for DA, we can write it as length, because these are the opposite sides and the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So now see here kids, here you can see B plus L plus B plus L. We have two B's and two L's to add up. So what we can do? What we can write? We can write 2B plus 2L. Now from this we get that if we take 2 as common, so the perimeter will be L plus B or B plus L. Thus, perimeter of rectangle will be 2 into length plus breadth, that is 2 into L plus B. Now let's see the perimeter of a square. A square has all the sides equal. We know this. All the four sides of a square are equal. Now let's try to find out the perimeter of a square. So similarly, we will use the same method only as rectangle. We will add up all the sides. So here also AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Now here, as you can see, AB is also the side only and BC is also side. Similarly, CD will also be the side only and AC will also be the side. That means all the sides are equal. So if we represent side as S, what we can do? We can interchange all the four sides with S. So what will it become? S plus S plus S plus S, and that will be your 4S, or we can say 4 into side. Hence, the perimeter of a square will be 4 into side. That means 4 into length of one side. Now let's see the perimeter of triangle. Triangle has 3 sides. Now in triangle, the sides may be equal also and it may be different also. So we will find out the perimeter in the same way as we have done till now. Perimeter will be length AB plus length BC plus length CA. Sum of all the 3 sides. Okay. Now students, here we have to see one thing. The length of these sides of a triangle are not equal always. If it is an equilateral triangle, then only the length of all the sides are equal. Otherwise, the length of all the sides are not equal. So we do not change the sides with any other basic term. So hence the perimeter formula will be the sum of all the sides only. The perimeter of triangle will be AB plus BC plus CA. It will not remain the same. It depends on the what is the marking or what is the name of the triangle. If it is ABC, that means then it will be same. If it is something else like PQR, basically what you have to say is the perimeter of triangle will be the sum of all the three sides. That's it. Now our next topic is perimeter of irregular shapes. Irregular shapes means the shape that do not have fixed length or fixed sides. Okay, just like your palm, it does not have a fixed shape. Your bag, it does not have a fixed shape. Okay, so that's irregular shapes. Let's see how to find out the perimeter. Now here we have two irregular shapes. This is some sort of a circle and this is another shape. For these shapes, you have to find out the length of all the sides for getting the perimeter, and for this we have to use a thread. Okay, with the thread we will put the thread around the shape like this. Suppose this purple color is the thread, so not keeping the distance, I am keeping distance here just to show you. What we have to do is originally we have to just keep it just around the shape, just around our figure, whatever the thing it is, like this. Okay, we will put a thread around the complete object, then we will straighten this thread and will measure the length of this thread with any scale or any instrument. Okay, that depends on us. So afterwards, when we will measure the length of this thread by any scale, we can get the perimeter of that irregular shape. Similarly, we can do this for this shape also. We will put a thread just surrounding the shape, and then we will measure the length of this thread. Okay, I hope you got very well, and that's all about perimeter. So I hope it's clear to you all. Thank you.